Hello friends, discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Cooking Utensils Set. Food-grade silicone. Made of food-grade silicone, BPA-free, can use in any type of food, and it will probably last longer than the other plastic kitchen utensils. This silicone cooking utensils does not react with food or beverages. You don't have to worry about the health of your families will not retain odors or colors. Before the first use, the original smell will disappear after the silicone soaking in water and exposed it to the air for about 3 hours. High temperature withstand. The silicone cooking utensils can withstand high temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit per 230 degrees Celsius. All-around silicone added to the softness. No longer worry food will stick your cookware. Silicone head protect your pans. Keep the cookware surface not scratched or dented. Extend the life of all your kitchen pans. They are scratch-resistant, unlike plastic and rubber utensils that will easily melt, or metal kitchen utensils harm your non-stick pots. Sourdough Starter Warmer. Smart Timer Precision Temperature Control. Designed specifically for sourdough fermentation, this warmer features a built-in 12-hour smart timer for automatic on-off operation, preventing overfermentation. It maintains stable yeast and lactic acid bacteria activity, ensuring evenly distributed air pockets in your bread. Even heating for faster dough proofing. Equipped with an aerospace-grade aluminum heating layer, it transfers heat efficiently to the base of dough containers, achieving faster fermentation than room temperature conditions. Edge-to-edge temperature consistency works flawlessly with glass jars, ceramic jars, and other proofing vessels, ensuring uniform fermentation across diverse container types. Sponge Holder. Rotatable spout. This kitchen sink caddy comes with a rotatable spout that swivels in 3 directions so that the water in the sponge can be directed to the sink. There won't be any water left on the countertop. You don't need to pull out the drip tray to clean it often, saving your cleaning time. Small volume Sicily sponge holder is suitable for kitchens with limited space. It measures only 9.25 by 3.97 by 6.37, holds a detergent bottle, a sponge ball, and sink stopper. With an extra upgraded brush holder that can hold up to 4 small and large-sized brushes. With the Sicily sink caddy, you can save countertop space perfectly. Premium sturdy material Sicily kitchen sink organizer is made of premium stainless steel, which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean it easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Take the clutter out of your countertops. Manual chicken breast grinder. Premium material chicken shredder tool is made of high-quality food-grade material, BPA-free and heat-resistant. Make it safe, sturdy, and durable. Effective shredding. Cut cooked meat into small pieces and place in the food shredder and cover. Turn the lid with the handle to shred the meat in seconds. Dishwasher safe meat shredder tool. Twist is heat resistant up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Allows the chicken breast shredder machine to be conveniently put in the dishwasher for cleaning without worrying about melting. Anti-skid base shredded chicken tool is fitted with non-slip adhesive strips that add stability and keep the meat shredder machine in place during use. This ensures comfortable and easy operation even during heavy use. Great kitchen helper, perfect for fitness enthusiasts, barbecue lovers, or those who love to cook. This meat grinder effectively shreds chicken, pork, beef, and other vegetables, widely used for tacos, quesadillas, and barbecue pork. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Automatic operation. Our electric pepper and salt grinder with gravity sensor switch. You even needn't to press a button. Simply flip the grinder, and you will have fresh ground spices, convenient and funny. Battery-powered. Each grinder requires 6 AAA batteries. Batteries not included. Please prepare batteries in advance. Adjustable grinder. Many grinding levels for your choice. Allows you to grinder your spices from coarse to fine. Electric pepper and salt grinder. Use a high-quality ceramic rotor. You can choose the coarseness of your spice, salt, or pepper by turning adjustment knob at the head of the grinder. 200% quality money back. 100 days. Free replacement money back if any dissatisfaction. If you find that the mill does not work after the product arrives, It is generally the case that the ceramic grinding core is stuck with granules. MultiSided meat tenderizer. Texturized surface. One of the side surface is textured for optimum use on a variety of meats. Smooth side included. The opposite side of the meat tenderizer is smooth for pounding and flattening for cutlets. Aluminum construction. Aluminum construction provides a lightweight, strong, and durable tool for the kitchen. Multiple storage options. There is a hole in the ergonomic handle that gives you the option for convenient hanging storage. Easy care. Hand wash with warm water and a mild detergent. Rinse and dry immediately. Titanium cutting board. 2-in-1 cutting board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, with one side made of food-grade 99.9% pure titanium for cutting raw and cooked meat, and the other side made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruit. High-quality titanium cutting board completely improves the shortcomings of traditional cutting boards. Traditional cutting boards are prone to cutting gaps, leaving food residues at the gaps and absorbing odors and other minor problems. Easy to clean. The material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board in time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable round on the cutting board for easy car. Olive oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our oil dispenser for kitchen. If you experience any issues or are not completely satisfied, simply reach out to us anytime. Our lifetime support ensures you can use this kitchen essential with confidence and peace of mind. Dual dispensing. This oil mister offers both spray and pour options for total control while cooking. It's a versatile oil dispenser. Bottle spray and pour as needed to keep your kitchen clean, organized, and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Kitchen blender. Powerful crushing. The 72 ounces. Total crushing pitcher pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks and smoothies with a powerful 2+ horsepower motor. 64 ounces max liquid capacity. Food processing. 8-cup food processor bowl provides perfect, even chopping and makes up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. 4 versatile functions. All 4 functions, blend, mix, crush, and single serve, utilize 1,500 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. Blades for any recipe. Stacked blade assembly for the pitcher, dough blade and chopping blade for the processor bowl, and Nutri Ninja blades for single-serve cups. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free parts. Hand washing. Wash the containers, lids, and blade assemblies in warm, soapy water. Use the provided cleaning brush or a dishwashing utensil with a handle to avoid direct hand contact. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans, rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra-large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Silicone oven mitt set. Durable, heat-resistant silicone. The KitchenAid ribbed soft silicone mitts are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to safely shield hands from the heat while cooking and handling hot pans and dishes. Waterproof, slip-resistant. These silicone mitts are water-resistant for additional protection from hot spills and spots with a textured, ribbed stripe design for a safe and secure grip. Set of 2 includes two generously sized oven mitts that each measures 7 wide into 13 long for a comfortable fit. Additional protection comfort. The 100% cotton cuff provides additional protection from the heat with polyester lining that offers comfort and insulation. Easy care. These KitchenAid oven mitts can be easily cleaned. Simply rinse off with water and wipe them clean.